Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. I'm on the beach in Mexico. We got a great episode. First up, we're going to Appies with Chappy by the lake, so stay tuned for that. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. I just flew in, and boy is my kielbasa tired. I just have a nice appetizer here. We got some shrimp cocktail, some triscuit, cheddar cheese, and some nice kielbasa. So we need a drink to go with my appetizer. I got a hollowed out pineapple. We'll just do a very basic tropical drink with my hollowed out pineapple. I got a shot of Malibu coconut rum and a little bit of pineapple juice. And we'll call that Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a new episode every Friday. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And this is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.